Ajuni gave you the money. And also released my goods.
Mokachi, you did not score the ball. Take me to my love. Take me to my love. I want to see my love.
Angela, I missed you. I missed you so much. I've missed everything about you. I've missed the way you kiss me. I've missed the way you smile. I've missed us. I've missed the way you smile. Everything about you. The way we used to cuddle each other. I'm so confused right now. I'm so confused right now. My love. I will never leave you. I will always be there for you. Okay?
You are a madman.
No.
Okay, man, you want your No. I want to see my love.
You see, okay, come.
I want to see my love.
I'm here for you.
Yeah. I want to see my love.
Baby, I'm here for you, okay?
I want to see my love. I want to see my love.
I'm here for you.
I want to see my love.
Berempa, Adetia, Delawo, Ebek Mamao, Ebek Samao, Aminati, Matimatingo, Tipawa.
Hey! Omokati! 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 It's got the gun. It's got the gun. It's got the gun. It's got the gun. I'm cooking for my love. My love. He likes jollof rice. I'm cooking for him.
Yeah, I like it.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Let me finish cooking for my love so that you can go and tell my love that I cook jollof rice. Okay? Jollof rice. Omokati! Hey, it's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Yeah. Take. You tell my love that I make jollof rice. He likes jollof rice. Take. Hey! Thief! No she. Ogologo. Hey, Omokachi. Sorry. Take. Oh. You like it, yeah?
Sweet.
You like it, yeah? Ayo, you like it, yeah?
Let me bring Omokachi.
Omokachi! Oh, Ifeko! Omokachi! Ayo! Omokachi! Ayo! Imugongwa! Ilaki ya! Omokachi, come. Fresh.
Who is that? Go.
jollof rice for my love. He likes jollof rice.
Yeah.
Did you score the goal?
Yes.
He scored the goal? 1-0. 2-0. 3-0. No. My son is suffering. Oh. My son is suffering. Oh. Oh, yeah, I can feel it when I get bigger. Oh, filia tabu kwano mwiya na fufu. Hello. Hi. Philly. Philip, is this what you are going through?
Philip, so because of this adulterous woman, you want to forfeit your birthright? You want to deny your community what they have been waiting for ages? Philip, you want people to hate us, okay? What has she given you to eat that has made you deaf to reasoning? Wakenem! Philip hasn't given Wakenem. Wakenem!
We need to talk, Philip. Since the death of your father, my brother, I have looked after his family like my own. I may not have given you money, but one thing for sure, I have given you good counsel. Okwanya, I have not deceived you once because you took me like your own father. And I will not start now, Philip. I do not know what is wrong with you young men or comprehend what is going on in your heads. Philip, listen to me. One thing for sure is good and bad is bad. No matter the generation or decade it occurs. Philip, you might have heard of men who died mysteriously or mysteriously took ill in our town. These are men that took their wives not knowing that they have broken the marital vows. Philip, the only way to see reason as reason is to reason reasonably. Philip.
Philip, this girl is the cause of your sudden setback you were experiencing in business. She did not start today. Do you think that coma was ordinary? It's an obelife. It is caused by her unfaithfulness. She was flirting around. She has been flirting around while married to you. Mulanya, Philip mupuanya na waginene na afo. Wabia kona ano? Hey!
Unekusigo? Asim no unekusigo. Are you done talking? Now listen, let me make it clear to you. In case you didn't get me well the other time. Angela is my wife. I paid her dowry. Not you. Not you. Not you. Not anybody in Eziobodo. I'm the one, Philip. I'm the one who paid her dowry. I chose to marry her. Angela cheated. Yes, I'm the one she cheated on. So I decide to forgive her or not. It's none of your business. You see, Angela, I am going to take her to Ijabode. I am going to take her to the highest church. I'm going to take Angela to the highest DPA. Yes, just to make sure she gains her sanity.
Hey.
And if it didn't happen, do you know what? I will continue to marry her. Yes. Because we've vowed for better for us.
Angela, for bewitching my son, you will know no peace. Peace will elude you in this world and the next to come. Nani. Nanyani. Nanyani. Hey!
Aro. Why? Ne Philip, what do I tell the people of Umobodo? That the heir apparent prefers a mad woman to the throne. Hey! Why? Adeka kwani ife emetugo kwa nwa gị n'isi.
O metoro nwa m n'isi.
Ọ dị ka ife emetugo kwa ya n'isi.
Now you leave for good. Philip will follow us.
I will treat her as a mad person is supposed to be treated. If Rocky Balenciaga, anything you want in order, you'll be served. My son and Ozana, you pick. Oh yeah, come. Yes.
Omokachi,
Omokachi.
you want to take me to my love?
Yes, come.
Omokachi. Omokachi.
me in here? Who? See, if I break down this door, that person will have me to contend with. Mama! Dima! All planning! Open this door! Open it, be fast!
Mama is sitting and standing.
Sit down. Mama, eh? Okay, eh? Mama, if you are not my mother, eh? I would have dealt with you now.
Hey!
Mama, I forbid you to ever raise your hand on my wife again, eh? Mama, you find it hard to me. If you don't want to stay in the same house with that, you better go back to the village.
Hey! Philippe Bobo! Philippe Manmo! Philip, you want to kill me because of this mad woman? Eh? Philip, you want to kill me because of this mad woman? I carried you in my womb for 9 months. I breastfed you with my breast. Hey! Philip, is this what you want to do? Eh? You want to kill me before my time, Philip? Is this woman going to bear children with you, Philip? Philip! 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 Philip!
Stop this now, stop this.
Philip! Is this woman going to bear children with you?
Mama, you pushed me. You pushed me so far. Eh? Mama, what were you flogging her like an animal? She an animal.
I will not sit here and watch you destroy your life. What kind of Philip? Is this woman going to bear children for you?
Mama,
Do you
she's my
want
wife.
to close your father's lineage?
Mama, stop this.
Is she going to carry you? Continue your...
Stop this. Stop.
Philip, you have to listen to your mother for once. All you need to do is to take her to man people's hospital. Let them look after her. You see the sickness. This sickness has no cure.
Uncle, please talk to my mother. Talk to my mother. I will not allow her to brutalize my wife anymore in my own house. Eh? Please talk to her. I don't like this. You can't say that let's go back to the village. Come.
Hey! You see this girl? I am going to make this house hot for this girl. This girl will leave this house on her own. Unless I did not carry Philip in my own womb for 9 months. Hey!
Ne Philip, we need to be fast. You know the meeting of the elders is in 2 days.
Leave Philip.
Eh?
Philip will follow you to the village. Philip will follow you to the village. If I can't do it, Dima will help me to convince Philip. Bar break. Hey! What about me with this?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Sorry.
It won't happen again, okay? It's okay.
Okay, rest.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about this.
Chief! Mushi! You say you
You said you would take me to my love. See, you said you would take me back home. Take me back home. Take me back home. Take me home.
I'm sorry, okay? I'll take you back to your love, okay? But let me take care of this wound first.
Hey, what a cheese in there. You like it, yeah?
Okay. I'm sorry, okay? This will not happen again.
Shut up! Shut up!
Why is Mama this cruel? Why?
Honestly, I am short of words. I don't know. But brother, please, consider your stand. Do not reject the truth. Because we can do it. We can take care of her. Yes.
Hello? Hello? Namdi, do not offload yet. I'm coming. Yes, I'm on my way. Yeah? Okay.
Hi.
Demma, I am leaving now. Okay? When you're done, lock this room. Do not allow anybody in here. Okay? This is the key to the room. Lock it. Eh? I'm going to the shop. My goods just arrived.
Your goods have arrived?
Yes.
Hey! Your goods have arrived! Hey! Thank God! What God can do for us? Thank you!
Give me the key. So you don't have respect again for your mother. Eh?
Mama.
You don't have respect again for your mother because of that thing. Whatever spell she cast on you, I will break it.
Mama, please, Mama, don't do this, Mama, don't do this, Mama, don't do this, Mama, don't do this. Mama, let her stay now. She's not hurting anyone, because she just calm.
You want to fight your mother. I can say you want to fight me. If you truly love your brother, you should aid me to chase that harlot out of here. Don't you know that her presence here is a threat to your brother's life? Ima!
Mama, when did her presence become a threat to brother's life, Mama? Mama, stop judging her harshly now. She's the one that wears the shoes and know where it pains her. Mama, brother in the hospital.
Shut up.
Have you forgotten? She's the one that suffered the most when brother was sick. She did it for you and I. She did it to save your son, Mama. Have you thought of how she got the 12 million naira? Ichegopia, Mama. I believe that she did it to get the money for the surgery, Mama.
She did what to save who? She did it to save who? Angela told me that she sold off Philip's land to get the money. Even if it were true, what was she doing with the man that dropped her off the day she ran mad? What?
Mama,
you people that left for India that time?
I don't know,
madam.
Mama, I don't know. Mama, I don't know. Since Brother Philip has decided to forgive her, we all should do the same thing. Mama, who are we to judge her? Who are we to judge her? Even heaven will justice over the repentance of one sinner, Mama. Because let's just forget about everything and live our life the way we are living it before.
Either you kiss me this. Igoda, Igayamia. So, you and the Philip wants to kill me. You want me dead. So what are all?
Mama,
I will make it fast.
Mama.
You want to tell me? Mama, get to it. Tell Umobodo, that you and the Philip killed me. If you don't, Angela Bonyala, I will torment you in the spirit. I will take you where you belong.
Leave me alone, leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Mama, stop, Mama, stop. Mama, stop this. Mama, Mama, can't you stop this thing now? Can't you stop it? Mama, can't you stop it? When you come, Mama, kill you, Mama. You Mama, this thing you're doing is not good. It's not fair, Mama. You stop it, go.
Whatever hold you have on my son, I will break it today.
Don't call the go. Don't call the go. Mama. You should not call the go. Don't call the go. Mama, can't you call the go? Mama, can't you
Let's go outside. Let us go outside.
If we are, Mama, can't you call the go?
I know, Mama, it's okay.
Oh, Mama, Mama, can't you take this? Mama, can't you when you goes, Mama? Okay, this thing I've been is not good. It's not fair, Mama. Mama, can't you call the go? It's a go. Mama, can't you call the go? Mama, no now. Mama, it's a go.
Of mine will bring such shame upon my household. Never.
God knows that I will never marry a man from Ethiopia. Never.
Don't marry. Continue speaking grammar. If you speak Finnish, you enter the house. As for your phone, it will be in my custody until Philly comes back, your partner in crime. Let me see how you will inform him.
Mama, this thing you're doing is so good though.
Don't marry. Go inside. Enter the house. Do not marry. It's better you do not marry than you marry and enter the house. Who? Here you are again.
What is this, Keneme? Why are you crying?
Jonah, ask her.
Dima, what is it now? Why are you crying?
Brother, she's gone.
Who is gone?
Aunt Angela, Mama made her to run away this afternoon.
What? Again?
Again.
Chidima, I left her in your care. It's like you're working secretly with Mama.
Hey, Brother, no, I'm not working with her. I am not working with her. Mama threatened to kill herself if I intervene. Mama even brought out a knife today, Brother. If your Mama met her.
Mama, you're leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. Mama, I am done with this rubbish. Or leaving this house. Mama, Mama, I am bringing back my wife to this house, so you're leaving.
Eh? Philip, I swear on your father's grave. If you bring back that mad girl here, I will use a knife through my heart and go back to my maker.
Maybe that's leaking out.
You want to kill yourself alongside with me, okay? You want to kill me alongside with yourself?
Mama?
Philip, be ready to carry my corpse back to the village.
You regret this action today.
No.
You regret this your action.
I will not.
Mama, wait. You want to kill yourself, right?
You want to kill me?
You want to pierce your heart with a knife.
I want to pierce it.
What's wrong?
Come on, pierce it. Kill me first. Philip, kill me first. Philip, kill me first. Kill me first. Mama, this is What's she coming to do here? That she will cook one day and give you.
Philip! Philip! Uncle Philip! Philip! Where are you going with this bag? Why are you behaving like someone under a spell? Ibu okenye no.
Where do you take away this night?
Oh,
Becky,
actually you realized that it's night and you allowed Angela to leave this house without food, without clothes. Mama, I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed to call you a mother. Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Give me a phone.
Bamba. You see her, stop him. Philip.
I paid you to sign Omokachi. I told you to sign Okocha. You put him in left winger. Now he did not score the goal. You want who to come and play the ball? Say, Okocha did not score the goal. Hey, hold on. Omokachi is calling me. Hello? Omo? No. Play number 9. Or you pass it to number 10. Who are you? Thief. Hi.
It's Omokachi.
Omokachi?
Yeah.
Thief. What is she?
No, I'm not a thief.
I'll give injection. What a thief?
I brought
you
you
food.
Hey,
Yes.
Omokachi.
Yes.
Hey, Omokachi.
You scored the goal.
Yes.
Imugonwa. Ayo. Ayo.
I brought you something.
Onyoshi.
Cover yourself.
Onyoshi.
No.
Onyoshi.
No, I am not.
Onyoshi.
Hey,
Omokachi. Onyoshi. Choriri.
No.
Choriri.
You are my baby.
Choriri. Onyoshi.
Oda,
Eh?
what did they do with this madam?
What kind of question is that? I know her.
You don't be ritualists where they sleep with madam.
Meaning?
Okay, ma just help your life. See this madam, she did very dangerous. The last time me and my guy tried to punch her, she nearly killed us. Oh.
Eh? What is? Wait. What is punch?
Ovoko na Dikeh.
You want to punch?
Now we tear her so. She won't kill us.
Eh? You? I get her from here.
What bad and you nearly finish us now.
Come, get out from here.
Hey, get out.
I don't want to tell you now.
Onyoshi. Omokachi. Hey.
Well.
Thief. Omogonwa.
I'm going out.
Omogonwa.
Yes. Come and sit down so you eat.
Ayo. Ichoririm.
No, I can't. You're my love.
Ichoririm. Mekuchi.
Come. Hey.
My love, I brought you something. Eh? There's a blanket here and a jacket. You know it's cold out there. Stop. I brought you something. Come and cover yourself.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say.
Mama Kachi.
Sorry.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go. 2-0.
My love, I am sorry. I'm sorry for all my mother did to you. Okay? I am not going to take you back there. I will stay here with you. And no one is going to look for your trouble. Okay?
I want to see my love. My love.
I'll take you to your love.
I want to see my love. I want to see my love.
I'll take you to your love, okay?
Mama Kachi.
Baby.
I want to see my love.
Your love is here.
Don't follow me. You are a madman. Don't follow me.
I am your love.
I want to see my love.
You're back.
Yes.
Come on, sit.
Mokachi.
Sit with me. Easy, easy.
Mokachi.
How are you?
Mokachi.
Mokachi is here. Mokachi is here.
Mokachi.
What is that? What is that?
Eh? Please, don't eat that. I can go and get food for you, okay? Are you hungry?
It's sweet.
Don't eat it, please. Don't eat it.
I did not see my love. I did not see my love.
Your love is here, your love.
Hey, do you want to be my love? Hey! Oh my God, you scored the goal 2-0. It's sweet.
Yeah.
You like it?
Very sweet.
You like it?
Very sweet.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I did not give my love. I did not give my love. My love. I did not give my love.
You've given me. And your love, you've given me.
Hey! Oh my God! It's ayo! I did not give my love.
My dear, the weather is too cold. You have to wear this. Oh? Neki. Angie. 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 Wear this. Oh? The weather is cold.
No.
Wear this. The weather is cold.
No. I want this one.
Eh?
I want.
This one is thicker.
I want.
Okay.
I want.
Okay.
I want. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
I'm coming.
I want.
Put your hand, okay? No. You don't wear it on your head. It's just it, mom. Baby, Garega. Put your hand there. Yes. Yes, I'm going to
I'm
say, go.
2-0.
Yes.
2-0.
I'm going to pass it to go.
Omakachi pass to Ronaldo.
Yes.
Ronaldo pass to Messi. Messi pass to Okocha. Okocha scored the goal and he said, go.
Oh, you know their names? Sorry.
Mugongwa.
Yes.
I feel like it.
Lie down, okay?
Omakachi.
Lie down and sleep, okay?
Omakachi.
I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe, I breathe you.
Unoshi, do you know how much I bought that furniture? Don't you know it's expensive? Why are you touching it? Drop it.
I'll get you new ones.
Drop it. Omokachi. Oh, I scored the goal.
Hey.
Omokachi. Hey, sorry. Don't die.
Hey.
Don't die. Sorry. Don't die. Don't die.
My love, I've missed you. My love, look at me. It's me, Philip.
I'm looking for my love.
Yes, it's me, your love. It's me, your love. I've missed us. I've missed everything about you. When is this going to stop? Eh? All these things have to stop. My love, it's me. It's your Philip. Yes, it's me.
Omokachi.
Yeah, you recognize me?
Hey, Omokachi. Ichoririm. Omokachi. Ichoririm. Ah, Ichoririm. Omokachi.
I'll buy you one.
No. I want to see my love.
See your love here, Mokachi.
Omokachi, I want to see my love.
I am here. I am your love.
Omokachi, where is my love?
I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love.
Hello. What is it? What happened to you?
Ayo!
What is this? Can you make it? Hey!
Ayo! Omokachi!
Let me wash your leg, bro. Let me wash your leg. Let me take you to the hospital.
No. I don't want to go to the hospital. My love went to the hospital and he did not come back. I did not see him again. No hospital. No hospital.
Okay, I am not taking you to the hospital. But let me clean this. Okay? Let me clean it.
I want to see my love. I want to see my love.
My love.
I want to see my love.
My love, I am here.
I want to see my love.
Your love is here.
I want to see my love.
My love, listen.
I want to see my love.
You see your love, okay? But we can't continue like this. I am here for you. And I will always be here for you. Okay? Please.
I want to see my love.
I'm here.
I want to see my love.
I am here.
I want to see my love.
I'm here. You're seeing me, okay?
I want to see my love.
It's okay. It's okay.
Night has come again. He has not returned. Woman, you caused it. You caused it. You were supposed to send her away, not him.
How would I have known that he would go with her? That's normal, please. Let's look for solution.
When you threatened to kill yourself if you return with her, what were you expecting? No, tell me. What were you expecting?
Please. Please. I don't want to feel guilty on this. Biko, no. I had to do what I had to do. He has not been answering his calls. Biko, let us hope that Namundi will take us to the place they found her. They might be there, Okwima.
You caused it. I told you. Okay, now see.
Jude. Let us look for a solution. Please. Pico, no. Oh, Mama, what are you she come you. Oh, Mama, what are you she come Hey! Hello! Onya mermia! Onya mermia! Really, who did this for you? Who did this for you? Who did this for you, Philip? Look at where you are, Philip.
Philip, what is the problem? What will people say when they see you here?
I do not care about what people say. Does it look like I have a problem? Huh? Answer me.
Now I can see that this harlot, this daughter of Jezebel, charmed you. What kind of love is this? How can you be so stupid to stoop low for this harlot that has slept with countless men?
Mama, that your son is alive today is because of this harlot. Uncle, you asked me to come and be the king of Eziobodo because I'm alive. She's the reason. Have you ever asked how she managed to get the money to pay for my surgery?
She said...
Mama, shut up. Mama, keep quiet, let me finish. I am talking.
Philip.
Yes. This woman here slept with another man just to pay for my surgery. She did what she did because she knew you wouldn't survive my death. So she sacrificed her sanity just to keep me alive.
Mokachi.
Mama, look at it. Look at it. She knew that you would not survive my death. And she sacrificed her sanity to make sure that I'm alive. To make sure that your son is alive. And you're here crucifying her. If you think that whatever you people do will make me change my mind, you better have a rethink, because I am going to stay here and die with her.
Nambiko boy alone. I don't know. Amaromo.
Mama,
my angel.
Now you feel my pain, right?
Oh my God. This is a very sensitive issue. Philip, what do we do? Because we can't abandon her here after all this sacrifice she has made.
Uncle, I owe her my life.
My angel. Philip, will she ever forgive me? Will she?
Mama, she will forgive you.
Hey! I'm sorry. Please.
If there's cure to this problem, it must come from the very source. All we need to do is to keep our mouth shut so words don't go out.
Uncle, do you think there's any hope for her?
Yes, I think so. But I have never seen anyone cured of such madness. But on this earth, there is nothing that has no solution. I think the problem here is because we men will hardly forgive our wives of infidelity as easily as they forgive us.
So what are you saying?
Philip, my father once told me of a man who once lived with his mad wife for many years after she was touched by a robber. But what baffled people was he never died mysteriously. Some people said the wife later regained sanity, but no one was sure if he's still alive because he never interacted with anyone, as no one goes close to him.
Then what are we waiting for? I am going to book the next available flight for all of us.
Flight. Do you still have money to waste on flight?
Mama, my containers have been released. All thanks to Angela. She utilized that one opportunity. All to my advantage.
Oh, God. Ah.
And here I was chasing her away. Eh? Would she ever agree to follow us?
There is hope. She will be okay again.
What if we go to Abalawai and ask if there is a way out? For the man the crime was committed against has forgiven her.
Okay, sir. I don't know what you are talking about. We all know that Abarawani is quick to anger. I think we should go to Ibe.
Which Ibe?
You are asking me which Ibe? The Ibe you know now, the outcast.
Why would you want to associate with someone that is cursed? For all we know, he might be dead. For over 6 years, no one has ever seen him.
Okay, sir. I don't know if Ibe is dead. I am suggesting we go and see him. You know, he is the only person that defied Ariokba and survived. So, Kaiga baje fonya.
Let's see Abalawai first.
Because when do we go? Because there's no time. I don't have time at all. Okay? I need my wife by my side on the coronation day, or suspicion will be raised.
It's all right, Philip. It's all right. I think we will leave at sunrise tomorrow. The road is not motorable.
Oh, yes.
So if we must arrive early, we must leave early.
Do I need to go with you people? I am ready to kneel and beg on her behalf if need be. Because me and Blue no kubunne.
Stop! What am I supposed to look at there? I'm not supposed to look at the baby more. You are playing with fire and you must surely get burnt. No one is above the oracle. Ariokpa does not tamper justice with mercy. The price must be paid. The will of the people must surely prevail. I do not have answer to the question you seek. Leave here now, else I strike you where you stand. Leave!